So welcome back to part 2 of the 4-link rear install on the TF Rodeo. So far, come and have a look. We've got the diff in, so that's the GU rear diff and the lower arms. So I'll show you that. So that's our lower mounts and the diff. So the mounts look a bit high on the diff, but it's actually in the center. But that's actually 10-inch link separation from the upper mounts. So a 10-inch link separation, that's good for 40-inch tires. But one issue we've got is on bump stops. So these come real close to this cross member. So I'm thinking of cutting 1 inch off these tabs, make it 9-inch diff separation, but it'll heaps of clearance for here then, but we'll get to that when we get there. So yeah, we're gonna continue from now, do the top mounts, top upper chassis mounts and the top arms. So yeah, I'm just going to cut 1 inch off all these tabs to lower the top, but that still gives us 9 inches of link separation, which is then good for whatever 9.4s is, 36 inch tires. So even if you put 35s, this is still good. So yeah. Alright, because we're doing, according to the 4-link calculator, the top arm is a bit at a 60-degree angle, so that should be at 60. Put this here, we'll mark it. So this will be a roughish guide of where the arms are going with the mounts. So when I tack them on, I'll just follow that. So that's no longer. There we go. Cool. That doesn't look enough. Ah, it's not 60. No. Yeah, that's 69 is there. Nah, fuck knows. Worked out. Today's work shirt sponsored by Mineral Resources. These mounts are huge. This side's fine because you've got the clearance under here where the fuel tank was. This side, what is that? So obviously the fuel lines are going to go because they're getting all changed, but it's the cab. Look at the bloody cab. That is back here. We needed 4 inches of separation down this end, so that top hole is 4 inch to the bottom hole. But that's close to everything. That sucks. I mean, I could cut these down a bit through there. That's the height of them. see, because it's just sort of under that now, but I am going to put the Patrol body mounts in this. So which doing that gives you 15 mil extra clearance. So that'll go up 15 mil. Plus I can cut that lip off, which gives me another 10 mil. We might get it just. So this is on full bumps too, so that's why this arm's up high, sitting on the bump stops. We might just get enough clearance, and I might cut these off through there. And yeah, see how that fits. So I'm just winding these to about halfway, so I've got adjustment both ways really, even them out. And the lower arms are going to be 1 metre long as well, match, and the upper arms will be 1 metre long to match the lowers. The lowers are 1 metre. As you've seen on the revised falling calculator I did, they were same length, upper and lowers, so that's why they're the same length. So let's give it 10 mil of thread for adjustment, and then that means I've got heaps of thread in the boss. So yeah, make these center of there to the center of the bush be 1 metre to match the lowers. So after all our clearance mods, we have plenty of space, so that's good. Yeah, they're all held in with clamps. So pretty much we'll just cycle through our suspension. I'm just gonna watch this clearance. Means if we have to lift these up or just notch a bit out of the bottom. But yeah, we'll cycle through, see how it looks. How good does that look? So I don't know what wheel travel that's set at now. I just lift it with a hoist and stop there. The aim is to run a 12-inch shock in the rear, so that'll be bulk flex for a Rodeo. And as you can see with the laser, so you got our center point there, center point on that cross member, and it is still, maybe I was blocked that, it's bang on in the center on the diff. So awesome, diff's moving parallel, all the brackets are in, and that's looking good. So next will be tacking in those upper mounts, so over there, and yeah, finish it off. So now I put it down to full bump stops, and as you can see, we're not hitting, and down there, we're not hitting also. So perfect. I was gonna do 25mm bump stop extensions anyway, but all that one there hits. But yeah, after 25mm, that should be sweet. Well, that's not even lifting till the tyres off the ground yet, as you can see, but I don't want to go any further because mounts are only tack, so I don't want to snap a tack and do everything over again. But look at that. That's wild flex, especially when it's a Holden Rodeo. So yeah. None of the mounts have bound up yet because it hasn't picked the wheel off the ground. Like that's still touching there, and everything is all sweet. So this is gonna be a big flexy machine. So that's it for the 4-link rear end. I won't film any of me welding it up because that's just boring, but that's it. So that's the flex and all my arms and everything in. Next, I'm gonna start the front sass. So that'll be the next few videos. The GU diffs going under the front. And I've got my 10-inch coilovers, my coilover mounts, everything ready to go. So that's next, and yeah, look out for that. That's the 4-link, and yeah, the Rodeo's coming along nicely.